Hello, guys. I'm back again with another street shopping in another city. Yes, it is Mumbai Bandra Linking Road, especially. This is a girls' lane. Please continue till the end. You would love to watch them because the prices are extremely deadly cheap, like 250, 200. Bags are for 200. You can see these all these tops, they'll quote for 500 and it will come almost for 250 to 300. Dresses तो आएंगे like for you like I guess 700 पे आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि थोड़ा मैं पूछा था ये these all oversized t-shirts all printed unisex t-shirts will be for 250 to 300 rupees and not more than that. Don't इससे ज़्यादा आप पे मत करना. You can see many of the t-shirts and पूरा college का stuff है. I literally shopped very like a huge stuff from this lane specifically because I have many things which I'll be showing you guys in a vlog very soon. Please stay tuned for that. You can see you're getting lingerie. This line is specifically, this Linking Road line is specifically for women. मैं इतना सोचा नहीं था. You can see these bags are for 200, deadly 200, and my sisters loved these bags very much. I've just today I came and I'm doing video for all of you guys because I want you to guys to be having that latest updates of this street shopping. अगर आप जा रहे हो तो कि कितने में मिलेंगे, and I'm trying to show you almost everything what I could possibly show you, and I did complete justice to the videos because पूरा मैं जितना लेन था ना उतना घूम के आपको दिखाने की कोशिश किया ताकि लाइक यू वुड हैव एन आइडिया, अ पर्सपेक्टिव कि जब भी जा रहे हो कितने में ले सकते हो. एंड वन बेस्ट पार्ट इन द स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग स्पेसिफिकली इन मुंबई इज इट एक्सेप्ट्स गूगल पे गाइस. लाइक ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन्स इतने ईजी है ना, नेटवर्क भी सही है, स्कैनर्स भी अच्छे काम करते हैं. एवरी वन हैव देयर ओन स्कैनर्स. इवन द रोड साइड वेंडर्स जो भी अभी ठेला में रहते हैं ना, लाइक बैग्स पकड़ के, उन लोगों के पास भी फ़ोन ओपन करके आपको स्कैनर दिखा देंगे. एंड दे हैव अ स्मॉल cards of scanner where they will give you to scan it. And I loved it the most. You can see this all trendy footwear here that was not itna, like how could you say that it is not that normal, but you can see itna shopping kaise kar sakte hai log. And I have shopped these many, and from here I'm going to this part where this is the complete lane. अगर Bandra Linking Road main road से जाने से पहले दिस इज़ अ सिग्नल फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल टेक द लेफ्ट एक्चुअली. बट उसके लेफ्ट में ये पूरे लेन्स आपको पड़े हैं, 2 to 3 लेन्स कम्प्लीटली स्पेसिफिकली फॉर वुमेन. एंड इतना ट्रैफिक आप देख सकते हो, मेरे थैलियाँ देख सकते हो मैं कैसे पकड़ के जा रहा हूँ, इतना भर के गया था. एंड इस रास्ते में भी यू हैव मैनी दिस स्ट्रीट्स like they are selling all these trendy things, earrings and stuff. And I didn't look them for much because I already shopped many of the things in Kolaba. And यहाँ मैं देखने के लिए आया था. You can see the left is full of those lane. मैं वीकेंड में गया था भाई. You can see the crowd over there. And I was going to the Bandra Linking Road, the main वाला जो main like men's section मिलेगा, because I have to take some shorts and night pants for myself. So इसीलिए my friend was completely trying to show you that how is the crowd over here. You can see vehicles जाने के लिए भी रास्ता नहीं रहेगा. You can see ये पूरा left में you इतने things है that I cannot explain. You have to go, you have to must visit that place if you wanna experience that vibe of the street shopping. I personally love Mumbai street shoppings more than anything. You can see this guy is just showing his socks, tick. It was like that. And it was very difficult for us to shoot at this moment because we were very tired and बहुत थकावट था और लोग भी बहुत थे, भीड़ भी बहुत था. But we tried to show you guys whatever it is available in this market so that कभी भी आप जा रहे हो तो आपको समझ आए कि कैसा शॉपिंग करना है. And I tried to shop whatever I could. I did. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.